Hello, everybody. Welcome to Dude with a Fork. My name is Ken. On tonight's episode of Ken Goes Shopping, I've got a couple of videos I'm stitching together. I recorded these a while ago. I don't remember the date. All I know is I went to Aldi and I bought some stuff and I was so excited I thought I should film this, and I don't remember any of the details. So you will probably see some of this stuff in upcoming videos when I cook it, but just so you know where it came from, here it is. Hey everybody, this is Ken, the dude with a fork, and I took a trip to Aldi's. So on this episode of Ken Go Shopping, we're actually going to take a look at the stuff I bought on actually two Aldi's food hauls, because I went last week and I went again this week, and I try to go to Aldi's at least once every 2 weeks. I can stock up on a lot of essentials. I can get in and out really fast. It's pretty good food and it's not very expensive, and there's always something that's kind of a surprise like this. So I went last week and picked some stuff up, and really this is what happens with Aldi's. I went in for these things. They're Savorit's roasted vegetable round crackers. These are like Ritz crackers, but these are roasted vegetable, and they are absolutely delicious. And I bought some of these because I'm going to make some pork cutlets later. And I decided to get some of this cheese. I got the garden vegetable with sweet basil, which looks like this. It's absolutely amazing. And the roasted garlic with tomato basil. And I also got the, what is it called? Pepperoni marinara. I was going to show you that, but it ended up looking like that. What can I say? Cheese has a very short half-life in my house. Anyway, I also did get some of this Havarti cheese. See if I can focus on that a little bit better. Apparently not. Havarti cheese with jalapeno, which usually I get Havarti cheese with dill in it, but also I had this was a couple weeks ago. It had bacon and cheddar cheese with jalapeno, and that looks absolutely yummy. Unfortunately, that's one of those things that they only carry once a year because it's gone. I also bought this New Orleans style red beans and rice mix, which I will make up later. And then as I was standing there in the checkout line, I saw Dakota's Pride grill style beans. These are brown sugar bourbon, and these are Southern style barbecue, and I will try those as well. One nice thing about these, even though they are high in sodium, they do have a lot of fiber. If you eat this whole can, and I could, a lot of people could, you got your daily choice, or you got your daily intake of fiber. Okay. And I also bought these cheddar brats because these are really good. And you can do like it says on the picture here, and just grill them up, air fryer them, something like that. Put them in a hot dog bun. You can slice these up, fry them with potatoes and eggs for breakfast. You can do just slice them up and eat them cold on crackers with some of this delicious cheese. So my battery's dying, so I'm going to swap out batteries and come back, and we'll look at what I got tonight. Well, I'm back with a fresh battery, and here's what I bought tonight at Aldi's. And of course, the reason I went there was I needed more of these because, like I said, I'm going to make pork cutlets. I'll get that recipe posted up on the web soon. They're really delicious. They're super easy in the air fryer, and they don't have nearly as much fat in them as when you fry them in a pan. So I got these little Crofton pizza pans. These are 8-inch pizza pans, 2-piece set. It's carbon steel construction, ideal for personal size pizzas, oven safe for $4.50. And I thought, you know, that could probably fit in my air fryer, because sometimes I do need to put something in my air fryer that'll sit on a flat pan like that. I do have this week's receipt. Last week's receipt I threw away because I never take anything back, and I don't like to save stuff that I don't need. These were $3.99 a piece. Okay. I also bought this beef smoked sausage because I wanted to try it, and that was $2.55 for a 12-ounce package, which is kind of pricey. You can get cheaper stuff for $1 at the dollar store at Meijer, but this is the Aldi brand, and I wanted to see what the quality's like, because believe me, the dollar stuff tastes great, but has a lot of fat, a lot of salt in it. So, and I'm going to use some of this with this jambalaya mix, which goes along with the red beans and rice that I bought last time around. So this, and actually they show shrimp on the front as well, but I do not have any shrimp, so we'll just make it with sausage, and that's good. And I did buy another package of pepperoni marinara cheese, which looks like that. Oh, wow. Mmm. And there's a way to slice these so that everybody gets some of this delicious outer coating. And then there's a way to slice them so that you get most of it because you're doing all the work slicing. And I'll eventually get to an unboxing kind of video with these things and show you how that works. I also, like I said, bought more of these. I love these. And the one thing I really wanted to try, the seasoned fries that are described as zesty French fried potatoes. I've had all these tater tots. I've had all these steak fries. I've had all these, what do you call them? The little potato patty, hash browns. My mind's going. They're all really good. But I was reading on Reddit, some folks said, well, these don't really taste all that seasoned to them, which I find disappointing. But then somebody from Delaware said, well, we just put Old Bay on them. Why wouldn't you? Because Old Bay is delicious on a lot of stuff. And they call them crab fries. So I'm going to make these later on and get that video up with the Old Bay on them because I have Old Bay. Oh, and I also needed onion powder because I'm going to make some home fries. And it's a technique really more than a recipe, but I mix onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper, and that's what I put on them, and it's delicious. I didn't have any of that. Oh, guess what? Hey, here's that receipt that I thought I'd lost. So, these cheeses are $2.99, and that's it. I guess I lost everything else. Oh, these crackers are $1.59. That's a lot less than Ritz. So, anyway, that's what I bought. I'm going to do some more videos when I cook some of this stuff and taste it, and I'll be seeing you then. Until then, it's Ken, the dude with a fork.